Right, new product time here at Mr. Land Cruiser. It's very exciting, long awaited. It's the LCS bonnet strut kit for the 40 series. Now we all know how difficult it is to get the bonnet up, and sometimes to get the bonnet stay out. It's always very awkward. Or if you've got a visor or something like that, you can't put it right up against the windscreen and get all that access. So this is going to be a game changer for you guys out there with the 40 series. Comes with this awesome little instruction manual. And all the bits you need. We got all the bolts, we've got the brackets and the strut itself. This thing is so easy to fit. You're going to absolutely love it. They're flying out the door like hotcakes, and they are on the website already. So let's get into it and show you how easy it is to fit.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get a no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets. Yeah, better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. My heart on my sleeve, stress, shit on my greed. That's how I get it. Success ain't no giving. Some days I don't eat, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't wonder when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes. The opposition don't amaze. The rose.
Right, we're all done. That took absolutely no time at all. It's done. No need for a bonnet stay anymore. And just check this out. Look how much higher it brings the bonnet. So you get all that more access to access your engine bay and do what you got to do without constantly hitting yourself on these corners and stuff like that. All up, that took about 15-20 minutes maximum. It would have taken even less if I had used a drill that was actually sharp. But well, the proof's in the pudding. Get on the website www.mrlandcruiser.com. These are ready to go. You need to get yourself one of these, and just check out all the other products that are on there.